In this video, we'll show you how to install the XWF water filter on your GE Appliances bottom freezer and side-by-side refrigerator. There are no special tools needed for this quick and simple installation. Please note, there is no need to shut off the water in your house before replacing the filter. Be sure to read the installation instructions before beginning. If you're replacing an old filter in a bottom freezer refrigerator, first, lay a towel beneath the filter cartridge housing to absorb any dripping water. Then squeeze the two front tabs on the filter cartridge housing and gently pull downward to open. Now tilt the filter down to a 45-degree angle. Slowly turn the filter to the left, about 1/4 turn, until the filter releases itself. Now install the new filter by lining up the ports on the filter with the ports on the filter cartridge. Gently insert the filter. Turn the filter to the right until it stops. When it's in the right spot, the arrows will line up. Slowly push the filter up into the clips and close the filter cartridge housing, pushing the lid up until the tabs lock into place. Installation on a side-by-side refrigerator is slightly different. Begin by laying a towel underneath the filter. Then simply remove the old filter by turning it to the left until it releases itself. Install the new filter by lining up the arrow on the filter with the arrow on the cartridge holder. Gently push the top of the new filter up inside the holder. Turn the filter to the right until it stops, taking special care not to over-tighten. As you turn the filter, it will automatically raise itself into position, moving about a 1/4 turn or 90 degrees. For both bottom freezer and side-by-side models, you'll want to clear out the system after installation. Dispense about 2 gallons of water, which runs about 5 minutes. Air bubbles may cause the water to spurt out during this time. If your model does not have a dispenser, you may notice a few black specks in your ice during your first few harvests. This is residual carbon from the filter and is harmless. Simply empty your ice bucket and the system will clear itself out after a few cycles. If water is not flowing, make sure the filter has been fully rotated to the right. Press and hold the Reset Water Filter button on the dispenser for 3 seconds. To help you remember to replace your filter every 6 months, sign up for text alerts by texting REPLACE to 70543. For genuine replacement parts, shop now at gewaterfilters.com. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.